This Angry Bird is lime colored, and he has also got a different shape compared to most of the other ones. His body is a triangular shape. So you are going to see how this works out. It's like I'm making a triangle, but I'm softening the points that come, the angle points. Okay? Okay. Alright, he also has an incredibly large beak. In fact, it reminds me of a banana. Like a banana beak. So we have the top part of the beak and the lower. Okay, if we start at the beak and we come up with the angled line and we make a line across there, and we're coming in kind of like a triangle, but not completely. Like so. Let's make a half circle that comes back up and touches the beak, and then we're going to make a black dot right there, and there's his eye. Okay, I talked about a long box-like structure. Actually, it's a trapezoid, but I'm not sure what age of artists are doing these. So we'll just say it's like a triangle, but it stops short. Okay? Alright, now I notice that where the eyes are, that part of the eyes is usually where the feathers start coming out the back. And this Angry Bird has 3 feathers. The center one is the largest, like so. And then he has some kooky looking ones, up, flat, down, inclined. Up, flat, down. Up, flat, down. I also noticed something. He has, his feathers, although he is green, are navy blue. So I'm going to color them navy blue right now. I'm going to not Google these. I'm going to Bing these birds and find out what their names are. Did you know what Bing means? It stands for but it's not Google. For real. I am not kidding. Okay. So he's this wonderful chartreuse color, and I'm going to color him chartreuse. I'm starting to run out of my markers, and so I am going to be visiting the supplies page very soon and ordering all kinds of things. I have regular markers, dry erase, I have water-based, I have permanent markers, I have colored pencils, I have pastel chalk, I have paint. You try all the things that you think you might like, and you never know, you might like them. So I'm going to take, this is a dry erase crayon, and it works on dry erase board, but it's really hard to get it off. But I'm going to use it on this regular paper because I like the bright color. Okay, see that? And actually, the bottom of the beak is a tiny bit darker than the banana yellow. So I'm going to see if we can pull that off right here. Yeah, just a little tiny bit. I'll smudge it around, blend it in like that. Okay, and so, yet another Angry Bird. We are finished